The Hornet officially runs. That was a video Ed and Brian sent to me. Those are the guys that are putting the Hornet all back together, or doing the full rebuild actually. So they fired it for the first time last weekend, and we're getting so close. Power tour's a few weeks away. Obviously I have the hood up here, so I'm gonna meet my dad in Mount Pleasant, halfway between where he is and where I am, to give him the hood so that he can take it to Ed. They can put the hood on the car and start driving it. The goal is that we want to put some miles on the car before power tour to find any potential problems. So I didn't really think this through, and I have to load that hood into the Escalade without ruining it. So it should be sort of interesting to watch, I guess. My CT70. My plan is that I'm gonna put pool noodles around all of the edges. I cut these already, so I should be able to like fit the pool noodles on, and it hopefully will fit in that car. I moved this hood inside the Denali before, so I know it'll fit, just not sure how tight, and hopefully the pool noodles protect it. Ultimately, it's the hood of a car, so it should be pretty durable, but I definitely don't want to screw it up before I put it on the car. Got this thing ready to go. Oh, perfect, like a glove. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Look at this. It's like the Cadillac Escalade was designed to fit an AMC Hornet hood. Beauty, beauty. Gonna hook this trailer up, take that back to my dad, open up more space in here. Then I'm actually gonna start cleaning a little bit in here, and I'm gonna start working on the CRX. I know I've said it 1,000 times, but this is the year. This is the year that that car gets driven and done. I did drive it a little bit last year, like once, but. I remember that Adrian said he wanted to use the lift this weekend, so I'm just gonna pull this car off. I haven't done anything with the wiring harness. Really, this is all junk. I just have to throw it away. Put that back up, put the carpet in, put the seats in, front bumper mounts on with 2 bolts or 4 bolts, and this thing's ready to drive. Oh yeah, I do need to mount the battery also. I actually have a front battery mount to put it in the fender well, so that'll be cool, but I have to get the battery for that. Every time I touch this car, I'm reminded of how much I love it. It's just such a fun, cool little car to drive. I would like to get a set of black Slipstreams or real spoon wheels, but I don't know. Made it to Mount Pleasant, and gotta find my dad in this parking lot of my, oh, I bet that's him right there. I have not been to Mount Pleasant since like high school. That's not true. I was here a couple years ago.